Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special to showcase, the best fall utensil holder that will not only keep your kitchen organized but also elevate its aesthetic appeal. Meet the WDT Tool Utensil Holder, a stylish and functional addition to your kitchen decor. This stunning utensil holder measures 5.2 inches by 5.2 inches and stands 6 inches tall. Its round design, crafted from rust-proof steel, pairs beautifully with a bamboo base, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen style. Whether your decor is modern, rustic, or anything in between, this utensil holder is sure to complement it while adding a touch of elegance. What sets the WDT Tool Utensil Holder apart is its thoughtful design. With an open-top structure, it allows for easy access to all your kitchen tools. You'll never have to rummage through drawers again. Its ample size means you can store a variety of utensils, think spatulas, tongs, whisks, and more, all while keeping your countertops tidy and clutter-free. One feature that often goes unnoticed is the ventilation design. The edge of this utensil holder is crafted with a metal mesh, promoting airflow that helps your utensils dry quickly. This is especially beneficial for keeping your cooking tools clean and ready to use. No more worries about damp utensils affecting your cooking experience. As we embrace the fall season, this utensil holder becomes not just a functional tool but also a stylish decor piece. Its matte black finish adds a modern touch, while the wooden base brings warmth and a natural feel to your kitchen. Imagine it sitting proudly on your countertop, enhancing your fall-themed kitchen setup. Now, let's talk about capacity. This holder is generously sized to accommodate all your essential kitchen tools. It easily fits everything from large serving spoons to delicate whisks. No matter what your cooking needs are, this utensil holder is designed to meet them effortlessly. Another fantastic aspect of the WDT Tool Utensil Holder is its versatility. It's not just for cooking utensils. You can also use it to store crafting supplies or office tools. This multifunctionality makes it a great investment, as it can adapt to your changing needs over time. And if you're looking for the perfect gift for a friend or loved one who enjoys cooking, look no further. The WDT Tool Utensil Holder is a thoughtful and practical gift that any cooking enthusiast would appreciate. It's a great way to show you care about their culinary adventures while also adding to their kitchen's beauty. In conclusion, the WDT Tool Utensil Holder is not just a kitchen accessory. It's a stylish solution for organizing your utensils while enhancing the overall look of your kitchen. Its combination of functionality and design makes it the best fall utensil holder on the market. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Keep your kitchen beautiful and organized this fall, and happy cooking!